the best ways to get a $100 promo code for Uber Eats. Whether you are a new user or someone looking to save big on food deliveries, I have got you covered. So, first thing first, open any web browser and in the search address bar, all you have to do is type in the keywords like Uber Eats $100 promo code or Uber Eats discount code or simply Uber Eats promo code. After you search for it, you'll be navigated to some website. Click on reputable common sites, and after you click on it, these sites regularly post Uber Eats discount codes, including ones that might help you get up to 100% off. So after you tap on it, once you find a valid code, all you have to do is copy it and head over to your Uber Eats app and apply the promo code in the promotion section before placing your order. You might not find the $100 promo code every single day because it is quite rare, but you will find it up to 50% or even to the $25. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.